Imagine a world where your car repair shop appears first on Google without lifting a finger. AI is turning this dream into reality. Traditional ads? Dead. Local search powered by AI is the future. It's not just about being online, it's about dominating your neighborhood's digital map. Picture AI analyzing data, predicting trends, and tailoring your marketing automatically. Even small garages now compete with giants and win. But here's the twist. AI doesn't just attract customers, it builds trust. Personalized messages, instant responses, flawless reviews, AI crafts an experience humans can't handle alone. Your rivals are quiet. The smart ones are already using AI to turbocharge their visibility. Don't get left in the dust. Ask yourself, in a world racing toward AI-driven local search, will your repair shop be the leader or the forgotten name? Step into the future. Harness AI. Win local search. Drive your business forward. What's your move?